The company's Nightingale is a richly layered musical adaptation of a story by Hans Christian Andersen, in which the Emperor of China forsakes his court nightingale for a jeweled mechanical bird. Slowly but surely he loses touch with his world until his daughter's love and the nightingale's beautiful song restore his life and awaken his soul.
Sing again, nightingale, that I may know what is in your heart.
You lifted me up in your arms.
I never did such a thing.
I know.
Your Majesty, she didn't tell me that part. I would never have let her in, but she's your own daughter.
This is unthinkable.
It was only a dream.
And you are dismissed.
Dismissed.
All I really wanted was...
Yes!
You wouldn't understand.
Dismissed! Then mysteriously the bees fell silent. And henceforth, the jewel bird shall preside at my court.
I was your mother. Do you remember me?